those conditions, don't blame me for not blessing you to be rich. If you are now a candidate for unconditional blessing, when you candidate for unconditional blessing, no problem. Yeah, missing there is another option of blessing. You find a covenant blessing. When second you can be rich. But for that one, you have to discover those covenant practices and walk in them. If you don't walk in them, don't blame him that he didn't make you rich. Last week, Yabobakudin, you see your friend desire to be rich. Conditions and your go out releasing the blessing. One when you desire the blessing. Near open a radio or the other day or the mouth. So if you desire God's blessings, he will give it to you. You example, Jacob treating to me person, make it too deep. Jacob desired to be blessed, and God blessed him. When we are 1 Chronicles 4:9, Jarvis desired to be blessed, and God blessed him. So you don't sit back at home and be singing, yes, sir. So there. Then he consulted TV botana or mobo. Or so when he came with him, Robema near Wakuma yet who desire a wakono dear. So be rich ya. God will make you rich. Or send me at the future shay. They were going to Gina yet, they were going to need that so and Nabami Casa Amen. I wouldn't want to go into the story of Jarvis. But Jarvis will be a Babu Suhuna, Nimonyam for the 10 Nene Gramo, what means Jarvis and Nimum Prenu. Nancy Jarvis all around him, a was here. Nemami who there be an anywhere was here, Kofi, Mahuma Mavera, me bay, and Monyama Garo, warfare, or song, or worry, or Hunam baby be anywhere a touchma, Nancy me bay. Or life or story and some metaphor and yafe Jarvis dabia mihua na makaya wirewo ai mihua na yom seme no monsa sana Jarvis ma mihuna na otie na ade ne ye Jarvis ya na Jarvis kwa awurade no desire say awurade man get rich awurade bless no and God gave it unto him eti nipa biara no ade a wo hwehwe no awurade ote mam ka say amen nti amoti asese desire is the first condition that you have to meet if you want to be blessed. If you want God to bless you, desire it. I won't pay me on farm. Say desire. Are you there? So Jarvis 1 Chronicles 4:9. Or say no, Jarvis was more honorable than his brothers. And I'm going to microphone. It will be say tam. So nene nante bakumi yenu miensa. When says our process chakari. Bishop Anoy Boabesia. Yes. Ubetimi ahwe nani mo nyama chikura edwa japade wa de bia som boama no. Only to realize say san said your tie no. Yes ana ni suban so so ye de yi. O wani onyam. Man bi o hasa ya wani mo nyam. Be ma hu he's ready to exchange everything for you. Then so do wura fia no say yeah. So our process chakari usubanye oye kromfo o dware sesi aba watoto ne botom wayi ne sika nyina be ahya wo nofo ase woni brisika eni monyam so adware wo hu afa be ma ya apel more honorable so sesi a o ko dware aba first test wo faili wa wi sika obi kwatim ko wi an boyfriend mobile Bisana me mobile me asemi me hu ya omo na bele tinini no na afio ase ni nkuasia wo hu afa wo wani onyam aso suban ebi na to Jarvis no ka se honhom di obi nya sei na honhom di ni panya yes sei na honhom di ni panya ade bi be ba be wura wo life wura ba bia obi ani gye wo ho ofie kwa na bekwa ko ha fie wura ni agye se wo betena fie ho. And so deep 3 days with you. Yeah. So be in turn akoko be dia kwa. Nti obi ti se wukuna ja o boy ja oba ho nim se wanya yire o fa o mi je. now being torn a cocoa be dear buonie, as soon as you buonie. And I didn't wine. A man is seeing ye. I saw your man is seeing you. So that was the challenge. And you know, I'm no can was a casa who do be ya, a binono. We are correct, but whom to do ya. But I'll be copiano, man, you may be PF. Now, all around will be a grab. I got a man and party. A being a chrono, a bisu a boo bonnet. You boo fuses yourself. Say the Peter, I am a born as soon as you care. Uwabo ukuna suma manemokwem onfa ntie o san yakoba bi foforo tonfo yankopon hu yamobo enye ho ne yeka mom yanko. But that is all about Jabez. Ewrade nhira mo na Bible say Jabez hu sa no hu say nhira nni ni so enimonyam ne nyina achi nhira nni ni so na okoba bi biara oye naked no. Bible say and his mother called his name Jabez, saying, because I bore him in pain. And Jabez called on the God of Israel. Bible can call her, that is prayed. Jabez prayed on the God of Israel, saying, oh, that you would bless me indeed and enlarge my territory, that your hand will be with me, and that you will keep me from evil, that I may not cause pain. Oh, menye awerehode e mame mame biom me mame mame ensu biom Ewrade hyira me eye blessing and neutralize some negative tendency no nipa bia blessing start say ba wabrabo mu a unye ni monyam kwa na ni monyam na start e ba yenye untum kwa na afiase agi utum. So blessing tin am friend iodine would is so man I change the whole equation. Ewrade hyira mo mu bi no mame. Are you going to do it? So God granted him what he requested. Nia Jabez peno Ewrade de. How many of you here desire to be blessed? Wow, some people are putting their hands down. How many of you desire to? Ye jinasura a mama prophetic word is but I will be connect to it. How many of you desire to be blessed? Oh, canona adiana radiati from the platform here. Now touchy baby awo who are swording indifference. What they want to one to not reach you. They are ammonia alive when we are preaching to you. Can say amen. But the one more person rather than blessing. Yes, me no cry. Come on, sorry, you know. You preach and your body is flow with the message. Be alive, sir. Be active. Connect to the word on the platform. Can say amen. Hey, Radin Shila, obey to Martinus. You preach them ammonia alive. Connect to the message. Everything has changed. We are no more what you used to see outside. As soon as we step on the altar. So any prophetic word from the altar, you should be alive, you should be active and connect to it. That is how it happens. Can say amen. In same way. So say desire. Until you move man bless you. One of the conditions is that you have to desire to be blessed. Number 2, a prayer. Ya Canada. Prayer. Can say amen. Prayer. Prayer and fasting. Jabez prayed that God will bless him, and God blessed him. Can say amen. So prayer. Genesis 32:26. Jacob prayed that God should bless him. Or say me ma won kwada. Or say ade ya action. Jame or say me ma won kwada unless you bless me. So he prayed to be blessed, and God blessed him. Nti masa o pese nyame hira ma wonya sika o bompa ye bisana o de be ma wo enkodi sakawafo achi kasa amen. I also mentioned love for God. Love for God. 1 Corinthians 2:9. Love for God. 1 Corinthians 2:9. Say nipa wo towrade. Wonti awrade hu ai. Ka say amen. Can 1 Corinthians 2:9 or say eyes have not seen, nor ears heard, nor have entered into the heart of man the things which God has prepared for those who love him. Hey, ɔsi ɛni wa nhui asɔnte